Now I'm going to show you how to adhere your fabric or wallpaper to your customized lampshade. A little later we're going to be pulling out the glue gun, but this is not the time for it now. If you were to use hot glue to adhere this fabric, it's going to be lumpy and bumpy, and when you turn the light on in the inside you're going to see where the glue is. It's a total disaster. The best product to use for this project is a spray adhesive. It's relatively inexpensive and you can find it at any hardware store. Now there is a downside to spray adhesive. It is an aerosol and it is incredibly sticky. So if you were to spray it indoors like I am right now, it's going to go everywhere and leave a film of very sticky residue. No one wants that in their house, so the best way to do this is to take it outdoors in a very well-ventilated area. And here's the great part of the spray adhesive too. It doesn't start to activate right away. It stays a little bit tacky, so you're going to have a lot of extra time in case you put this on wrong and it's a little bit crooked. It's also going to give you plenty of time to come back inside and construct the project. When you get outside, here's what you're going to want to do. You want to put several even, very light coats of the spray adhesive all over the lampshade. Make sure that you cover the entire lampshade or you may have problems a little bit later on. Once you've completely covered the lampshade, then go to your piece of fabric and do the same thing. You may want to lay this on a piece of paper so that it doesn't get on your grass, and you want to make sure that you cover the entire piece. Because you do have that flex time, you can then take it inside, put it together, press all the fabric onto the lampshade, and you can see the results are beautiful.